In this video, we're going to walk through how to install the SharkBite Ice Maker outlet box. Outlet boxes from SharkBite feature the popular and quick push-to-connect universal fittings people have grown to love from SharkBite. The Ice Maker outlet box is available with or without water hammer arresters to fit your specific application. If you're replacing an existing outlet box, remember, shut off the water supply and drain the water lines first. Attach the mounting brackets to the studs with screws or nails at your desired height. This is typically 18 inches from the floor to the top of the outlet box. Next, connect the water distribution lines to the SharkBite push fittings. SharkBite fittings are compatible with copper, CPVC, or PEX pipe. Always be sure to brace supply lines to prevent any movement. Once the wall surface is finished, snap the faceplate into place. Make sure that the outlet box is turned to the off position before turning the water supply back on, and until the appliance is connected and ready for use. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable.